Hi, welcome to AutoCAD Systems AutoCAD Essential Online Training. Alright, this topic is about filleting and chamfering by using AutoCAD. Before we begin this lesson, please download all the dataset files from the link at the description below, or you can just copy and search this link, then place them on the root of your drive. Now, this is the start screen of AutoCAD software. To start this lesson, click this open icon to open the existing file, which is the filleting file that you have downloaded before this. So the first part of this video is about filleting. This filleting exercise will be based on this part of floor plan model. We can see here there are many fillet that we have to complete, and all the radius of the fillet has been given to the dimension information. Where 10 for fillet that has center radius located inside the model, and 15 for fillet that has center radius located at the outside of the model. To do fillet, we can just click fillet here at the home tab of the ribbon. Then straight away click first object or first side to fillet. Then click another side, or we call it as second object, to apply corner. But as we move the cursor to the second object, it will show preview of the fillet, and we can clearly see that the fillet that we're going to create is not compatible to complete this exercise since the size of the fillet is different. Thus, we can use many other fillet options provided to make our desired fillet. Alright, the shortcut for fillet is F, so just type in F at the drawing area, and then as fillet is now the default option, just press enter to start the command. So the first option that we normally use is this radius option. Click this radius option, or you can just type in R at the drawing area and then press enter. Then it asks us to specify the fillet radius, so key in 10 and then press enter. Continue with clicking here and here as the first and second object respectively to complete this fillet exercise. Alright, to make another fillet with the same properties, we have to press enter to repeat the command and then just choose a new corner like this. But if we don't want to press enter every time we want to make a new fillet, we can use multiple option here. Just click this multiple option, or we can just type in M and then press enter. While in multiple command, we can still change the fillet properties. If not, the properties of the fillet will be the same like previous one. So now, we can change the radius of the fillet here by clicking it, or type in R at the drawing area. The radius of the new fillet that we are going to complete is 15. So key in 15, then press enter. Then we can just choose another corner without pressing enter as long as we do not end the command, like this. Next, the last option that we normally use to do filleting is trim. Let's use trim by choosing trim here at the bottom, or type in T, then press enter. Now we have two options, which are trim or no trim. Let's say we choose no trim by clicking it. Then same like usual, specify the first and second object. But before we specify the second object, make sure to adjust the properties of the fillet by changing the radius back to 10, then press enter. Now you can click the second object. Alright, the result of choosing no trim is we can see that the fillet is created, but the old corner is not removed. But if we choose trim instead of no trim, the old corner will be eliminated, same just like other method of creating a fillet. So that is all about filleting. Alright, now we are going to move to the second part of this lesson, which is chamfering. Repeat the same steps as drawing circles to open the existing file, but this time choose chamfering file that you have downloaded from the course resources. We are going to use this hinge model to complete the exercise for chamfering. Alright, to do chamfering, click the chamfer option here at the home tab of the ribbon, where you have to drop down the fillet menu. Or just type in CHA in the drawing area as the shortcut for chamfer, then press enter. Now, to make this chamfer, we can use the distance option here at the bottom of the screen, or can also type in D, then press enter. Since we have this dimension information 0.1, and I want this line to be the first chamfer line, so we key in 0.1 as the first chamfer distance, then press enter. Next, key in another 0.1 as the second chamfer distance for this second line of chamfer, then press enter. Now select the first line as we decided that this line will be the first line, then proceed with the second line to apply corner. Alright, chamfering also provide multiple options that allow us to draw next chamfer without clicking enter to repeat the command. So just click multiple here or type in M at the drawing area, then press enter. Then you can just keep doing the chamfer by choosing those corner. Next, chamfer with angle option. Let's try together to see the difference. Enter the chamfer command first, then click angle here or can type in A, then press enter. Alright, then it asks us to specify the chamfer length on the first line, where I decided that this line will be the first line. So from the dimension information, the length will be 0.2. So key in 0.2, then press enter. The next step is to specify the angle of the chamfer. So key in 45 since this exercise requires it, then press enter. Then choose the first and second line as we decided before to apply corner. Alright, now the last chamfer option that we usually use is the trim option. Choose trim option here at the bottom of the screen, or you can type in T then press enter. Same like filleting, there are two options, trim or no trim. When we choose trim, the O corner will be eliminated just like the other option. So let's choose no trim to complete this exercise. So same like before, specify the first and second object. Alright, see the O corner is not removed when we choose no trim. So that is all about chamfering. Alright, now we already covered filleting and chamfering lesson. To save this file, just click the application menu here and choose Save As. Enter the file name and then press enter. Alright, thank you for joining this lesson and see you on the next video lesson.